Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the document you want to convert. That keeps you focused on content rather than settings. Once the file is open, scan headings, images, and page breaks because PDF export preserves layout exactly. Make quick fixes now: font sizes, spacing, and embedded images, since changing them later can shift pages. Also make sure autosave or manual save completes, otherwise you may export an outdated draft. Doing these first steps reduces layout surprises in the final PDF. Now use the app's export feature to create the PDF. Tap File or the menu, then Export or Save As and choose PDF. You select page size and image quality. Higher quality preserves photos but increases file size, so choose based on your need. Once you set options, pick where to save: local storage, Google Drive, or share via email. Make sure the export finishes. Interrupted exports can create corrupted files. If your app offers PDF optimization, use it for smaller, faster share files. Finish by opening the newly created PDF to confirm final layout and links work as expected. This step avoids sending a broken file. If pages shifted or images are missing, try exporting again with different quality or page settings, or export from a different app. Once satisfied, share via email, messaging, or cloud link. If the PDF won't open or export repeatedly fails, reinstall the app or use a trustworthy alternate converter. That usually resolves permission or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.